The heaviest weapon issued to the German Infantry Division as an infantry gun was the 15-centimeter Schwerinfanteriegeschütz 33, a heavy infantry support gun, known to the troops by its initials as a SIG-33. The SIG-33 was a reliable and robust piece that could hurl a 150mm high-explosive charge over a range of about 5 kilometers. Its standard ammunition was usually a high-explosive shell, but it could also fire a screening smoke shell if the tactical situation required a smoke screen. An anti-tank hollow-shaped charge was also issued in 1941, but the SIG-33 was far too cumbersome to be used in an anti-tank role. One other drawback was the lack of velocity in the shells fired. Perhaps the most remarkable projectile fired by the SIG-33 was the 15-centimeter Stahlgranat 42. A 200-pound stick bomb, it was used for short-range demolition work against enemy strongpoints. This had a high-explosive warhead mounted on a driving rod and carried 3 fins on offset arms. It was muzzle-loaded, the rod entered into the barrel and the fins lying alongside the muzzle. A special blank cartridge was used to launch the bomb, much in the same manner as an oversized rifle grenade. About 150 yards from the muzzle, the driving rod fell away and left the finned warhead to continue its flight to the target. This was able to deliver 60 pounds of explosive up to 1 kilometer away. This unusual payload was used extensively on the Russian front against the concrete defenses of the Stalin Line, with devastating effect. The role of the light field artillery was to provide direct support to units at divisional level and below. The role of the medium-heavy artillery was less